Thanks for joining us for another episode of Top 5 Gadgets, where we look at a brand new format where we embrace the world of podcasts, thanks for listening, and show you the latest from EKSA, the RGB wired gaming mouse. AJ, what is this?
Well, in front of us, Pete, we have the EKSA EM600 RGB wired gaming mouse. Oh, yes.
Right.
This ain't no ordinary gaming mouse.
I have a small issue I need to put out there.
Well, while you confess, I'll open the box.
I'm not very good at gaming.
No?
But do you know what would help?
What?
If I at least looked cool while I was gaming badly.
There you go. You can open that up.
Now,
all the stuff.
Will this help me to look cool? That's the most important
This will
thing.
not only help you look cool, and this will not only help you with gaming. I would argue that the EKSA EM600 would help with everyday productivity as well. This is a proper versatile, ergonomic, awesome mouse. It's a red dot winner, first of all. And that is a sign of like a real seal of approval.
I always like a red dot winner. There's the manual, but as we all know, nobody reads the manual.
Nobody reads the manual. Not in the man cave, they don't. So it has up to 1200 Dpi accuracy. So that is from very, very fine movement. That 1200 Dpi accuracy is fully controllable with a Dpi switch on the top of the mouse that my beautiful assistant will point out to you. This here. So you can fully adjust the Dpi right down to, I think, 500. So that is pretty cool. I just want to say...
I watched the advert.
Yeah.
And they show you on the advert, they call it sniper precision.
Yes. 1200 Dpi. You are sniper. First of all, I just want to say, even not plugged in, it is a beautiful design. That
very ergonomic. Better for your hand than mine at the moment.
Well, absolutely. It is the type of grip that I like. I prefer a palm grip, it's called, where the palm of your hand hits the mouse.
I've been using the palm grip technique for many years.
Well, some people use the fingertip grip.
Yeah, I mean...
Which this mouse is designed for. And you can also have the clamp grip, which I don't even know what is.
Yeah, this is more...
Which I think is like you.
That's more comfortable. It's like feeding the pony for me. I find that quite comfortable.
Okay. It's ergonomic. I just think I really like the kind of etched and red design on the side. RGB, you can control the colours, obviously. And we all know with PC or gaming components, if it ain't RGB, it ain't cool.
Also, do you know what else is cool?
What?
ASMR.
Okay, let's hear the click.
Since we're going for this style of video at the moment.
Let's hear them switches. That's nice.
That's good.
Yeah.
What about a scroll?
Does it click the scroll? Oh, yeah. While Pete plays with these.
I'm not finished.
Okay. I don't like those switches as much as the fingertip switches.
Hold on, listen to them more carefully.
Okay, so we have 9 mappable buttons. We'll be here all day if Pete's going to click them all in silence. They are fully mappable and customizable as to what they do, obviously, as you would expect from a decent gaming mouse. It is incredibly light, 90 grams. That is super light. And as we just spoke about, it has a incredibly ergonomic feel. It is, for me, it is the perfect type and design of mouse. I love those angled mice where you can get a proper palm grip and have a nice position for your thumb. I don't like too much of an angle. I know you quite like that, but I prefer this lower design. In fact, in many ways, I'd say that this mouse might well be made for me, and I'm going to take it home.
It's a good size. Yeah. It's a good size, but I would say, put it this way, in gloves, I'm an XL.
That doesn't surprise me.
And they're a little bit tight, even on an XL. So for me, with big hands, I still cover that pretty comfortably. Yeah. So ergonomics, it's very difficult when you create something like a mouse for ergonomics. You've got to think there is difference in size.
Here's the thing. This will sway you, because I know that budgets are important to you. You get all of this quality. Now, I currently use for my productivity a leading competitor to this, and that mouse costs me over £100 to buy.
Yeah, that doesn't surprise me.
This one from EKSA, £20.
Wow.
Currently on offer. I think it's £22 if I'm going to be accurate. But
That's
under 30.
Very, very surprising.
The EM600 from EKSA. It is an incredible offering from them. Really exciting to see red dot winning design at a budget price point. It feels like it's built to last. It feels great in hand, and it looks really cool. I really love the braided USB cable as well.
Yeah, it's those little details, like having a braided cord to it, that makes it look like it's got a higher value.
Yeah.
So,
what a bargain.
That's always nice to see. And again, little touches, little grippy side panel there. It's just a nice design, but gives you a little something to.
I love that little flash of red. I really like that.
Details.
I know you don't look at it because it's under your thumb, but just and the grip, like you say, the little grippy panel is really nicely done.
That's the sort of thing that makes me want to be a better gamer.
You're never going to be.
Well, for not a lot of money.
What's the game you play most?
Fortnite.
And there we have it, folks. That is when all his street cred died.
Oh,
Yeah.
that happened.
Yeah.
What's a cool game?
Call of Duty?
I play Call of Duty quite a lot.
Do you? Yeah, which one?
The tanks and stuff one.
Tanks and
What?
stuff one.
Yeah, it's about tanks
Oh, okay.
and soldiers. Do you know the one where they...
Yeah. Do you mean Battlefield?
Yeah, I play that as well. Is that cool?
That is cool. Yeah.
Yeah, I play the Battlefield
I know
quite often.
If you're unaware, Pete is playing up to this because I have played Battlefield with Pete.
Yeah.
And, he's not very good.
Don't camp. It really annoys me. Every time I come back to kill someone that's been camping,
Yeah.
they kill me again.
Yeah. And do you think a high precision mouse would help you?
It's going to go some way towards helping
It
me.
might do. It might help.
Maybe the third time that I go back to get the camper,
Yeah.
he will surrender to the might of my
So
mouse.
there you have it. It is the gaming mouse that will make your opponents surrender. And EKSA, you can quote me on that.
Oh, imagine that.
Yeah.
Put that on your box.
Put that in your box. 20 quid. Well, Pete, that about wraps up our look at the EKSA EM600, probably the best budget wired RGB gaming mouse I've ever come across.
It's a bargain, and I think makes me look cooler while playing Fortnite.
Whilst losing at games.
Do you know, and if you like being a loser, make sure you hit that thumbs up button just down there. If you wish you were cool as me and played Fortnite, make sure you hit the subscribe button over there. And for everything else, there's the comment section down below. And if you've been listening on the new podcast format, thanks for tuning in.
Yes. Hopefully you enjoy this new format of videos as much as we enjoy making them for you. And until the next time here at Top 5 Gadgets.
Thanks for watching. Bye.